Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the soft skin effect on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the exposure/color section, so this pink section right here, and then select the color/tone tab. And here we have the soft skin effect option, so select that, and if you take off your lens you can see what it looks like with or without the soft skin effect. So just select whichever option that you want, the option that suits you the best. You can turn it off or adjust it from low to medium to high, and once you've done that, just press OK, and you can exit out of the settings, and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.